Hello students, I Dr. Sarwar Shah welcome you on the platform of Christian Law Academy. और गुड न्यूज़ है हमारे लिए कि दिल्ली जुडिशियल सर्विस वैकेंसी का अनाउंसमेंट हो चुका है, जो आप सामने देख सकते हैं। इसमें इसका थोड़ा सा ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन होना चाहिए। हालांकि चीज़ें बिल्कुल वेल डिफाइंड हैं और लूसिड वे में क्लियर हैं, लेकिन फिर भी थोड़ा सा एक और इसको इजी वे में हम समझ सकते हैं इसको कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी दिस ईयर मीन्स की ईयर ऑफ 2022 the total number of vacancy is 123. This is the official website of Delhi High Court and you can access by your system also. Okay, so let's see. So the total number of vacancy is 123, in which 55 existing and 68 anticipated. Anticipated means ki there is a most likelihood situation that these vacancies may be added into. और देखा ना आपने कि जो फर्स्ट एसी का रिजर्वेशन होता है, तो फर्स्ट एसी के रिजर्वेशन में यूजुअली पहले किसी को सीट ग्रांट नहीं होता है, नहीं, सिर्फ कंफर्मेशन का स्टेटस मिलता है। और फाइनल जब चार्ट प्रिपेयर होता है तो चार्ट प्रिपेयर होने के साथ में अकॉर्डिंगली आपको सीट अलॉट होता है कि सीट कंफर्मेशन के साथ में बर्थ नंबर दिस, साइड लोअर, साइड अपर और व्हाट्सोएवर। क्लियर है? तो सम हाउ लाइक कि टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी इज 123, इन विच 55 एग्जिस्टिंग की जो ऑलरेडी है अभी, और अपार्ट फ्रॉम 55 existing vacancies, 68 anticipated. Okay, and as we all know that this examination is also, this exam like any other exam consists of, there is a composition of two-stage examination. Two-stage examination, mainly prelim round, objective one, and second one is written exams. Written exams that generally we say a descriptive one, including written examination means plus interview carrying 150 marks. Interview कितने का होता है? 150 marks का. So the total exam consists of, including PT, means an interview, is almost 1000 marks. क्लियर है? क्योंकि आपका फर्स्ट में PT आपका है 200 मार्क्स का, जो नंबर आपका ऐड ऑन नहीं होता है। पीटी का नंबर ऐड ऑन नहीं होता है। इट इज स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट जस्ट इन ऑर्डर टू टेस्ट दैट यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर मेंस और नॉट। ओके, सो फर्स्ट वी डिस्कस अबाउट पीटी। नो, दो वी हैव अ वेरी स्पेशल स्ट्रेटेजिक सेशन इन विच वी विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन डिटेल every possibility or so called की बेसिक लेकुना that generally we face in course of preparation, कि क्या क्या दिक्कत उसमें आती है, सिलेबस क्या है, सिलेबस की अंडरस्टैंडिंग ज़रूरी है, क्वेश्चंस का नेचर क्या है, सिलेबस में किन किन चीज़ों पे फोकस करना है, दैट विल बी डिस्कसिंग इन स्पेशल स्ट्रेटेजिक सेशन। बट हियर इन अ वेरी शॉर्टर वे यू वुड ट्राई टू नो कि द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसीज दैट वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड, इन एडिशन टू इट कि पीटी, सो पीटी देयर इज अ 25% नेगेटिव मार्क्स। क्लियर है? इन पीटी देयर इज अ 25% नेगेटिव मार्क्स. इट सिंपली इंडिकेट्स दैट इफ यू डू वन क्वेश्चन राइट and if you do 4 questions wrong, then ultimately you would get 0. Okay, so before preparing or before appearing in this exam, at least you need to be mentally fit or mentally in a position that try to minimize your mistake, so therefore there would be more possibility for getting into mains. Okay, so in 3 exams we will be discussing in a special strategy session, but let's see, this examination will be conducted on Sunday, the 27th of March. Just 1 month, or around 30 to 35 days we have left. So definitely you have already prepared a year in advance. No, so therefore in a very shorter way we can revise time and again in a very strategic way or in a very smarter way. So exam would be conducted on 27th of March 2020 from 11 AM to 1:30 PM. Okay. And who could be eligible for this exam? A person who is citizen of India, a person who is already practicing as an advocate in India, or a person qualified to be admitted as an advocate under the Advocate Act 1961. यूजुअली अब देखें कि पहले स्टेट जुडिशरी में इस तरह का डिमांड नहीं हो रहा था कि नहीं कि आपका एडवोकेट होना जरूरी है, लेकिन सम ऑफ द स्टेट सर्विसेज हैव बीन क्लियरली इंसिस्टिंग इन अ वेरी अपैरेंट वे, इन अ वेरी palpable way, that you must be enrolled as an advocate in concerned state bar. So similarly, the provision in Delhi Judicial Service also exists. Okay. So either you have already joined state bar or you are qualified to be joined. You are qualified to be joined or to be associated with state bar under Advocate Act 1961. So not more than 23 years, not more than 32 years of age on the first day of January, because जनरली क्या होता है कि आप देखेंगे यूपीएससी में, यूपीएससी के किसी एग्जाम में, यूपीएससी के किसी भी एग्जाम में डेट काउंट होता है आपका 1 अगस्त को, क्लियर है, 1 अगस्त को, लेकिन डीजेएस में, दिल्ली जुडिशियल सर्विस में ये होता है 1 जैन को, 1 जैन को, यानी कि 1 जैन के हिसाब से आपका एज 32 इयर्स से ज्यादा नहीं होना चाहिए, फर्स्ट कंडीशन. सेकंड कंडीशन, that in case you fall in a special category or in a reserved category, be it SC, ST or some like similar category, so you get benefit of 5 years. And 5 years benefit is equally applicable for the ex-serviceman. Okay? And the maximum age relaxable is permitted in case of a person with disability. Disability means ki 10 years relaxation one can expect in case of who falls in a PDS category or in a person with disabled category. Okay. So move ahead. As I told you, that a person with disabilities identified disabilities that he can get maximum relaxation up to 10 years. Okay. The fee of the examination would be 1,000 for general category and 200 for reserved categories. Clear hai? You can clearly see it. Now we can mainly focus on number of vacancies. See, if you fall in a general category, so the total vacancy as of now is 24 only. Okay, and anticipated is 62. So there is a likelihood situation that you would be falling in 86, because anticipation means almost it's done. Even there is a subject to further addition of certain services in final selection. जो आप 86 देख रहे हैं, इसमें भी कुछ पॉसिबिलिटी हो सकती है कि यूजुअली क्या होता है कि एग्जाम के बाद में या इन कोर्स ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन सर्टेन वैकेंसी एड ऑन हो जाती है इसमें, लेकिन एज ऑफ नाउ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वैकेंसी इन केस ऑफ जनरल कैंडिडेट इज 86. सो देयरफॉर द टोटल वैकेंसी दिस ईयर, आई मीन की फॉर 2022 इज 123. And we can see that in especially in categories there are some special vacancies, like in case of PWD यानी कि blind and low vision, 4 vacancies are reserved. In case of one arm, one leg, both legs, 3 vacancies are reserved. And in case of specific learning disability or something alike in nature is having 3 vacancies reserved for them. So the total number of vacancy, total number of reserved vacancy this year for the examination of 2022 is 10. So though I discussed in a very brief way date of the examination, date of the examination, stages of examination means PT, mains and interview. In addition to it, the total number of vacancy this year and the total number of reserved vacancy, how can you fill your form? You can easily access this. So I don't supposed to go into deeper or in detail. So we'll just simply discuss like PT. So PT, as you know, the 200 marks in which 25% there is a negative marks. 25% means 0.25 would be deduction in case of if you do or if you attempt negative questions or if you do a wrong question. In PT, including English and Consti, I mean Constitution, some basic laws. Basic law means civil law and criminal law. Clear hai? Some basic law means civil law and criminal law would be consisting of 200 questions. And second examination is mains exam or means written exam. So mains exam means ki there are number of papers. For example, civil law 1, civil law 2, criminal law, and the first paper is GK and language. GK and language. It is of 250 marks. Okay. So GK and language means ki the basic component of GK including history, polity, geography, economy, current affairs and some other international issues or current affairs, especially in context of national and international incidents or happenings, especially during last 1 year or better yet last 12 to 15 months. Okay. So it carries 250 marks. In addition to, especially there is some special focus on language. Ki are you able to write well or not? Are you able to draft? It means ki there is a test for your drafting, test for your presentation, because ultimately you are getting selected for judicial services. So judicial services means ki basic function for you there ki just simply write your judgment or so-called ki pointing out lacunas, pointing out deficiencies and other similar function that you may perform there. Okay. So basically there is a two section of paper 1. GK means the basic component of GK, and the other one is language. And the next paper is civil law 1. Civil law 1 means ki briefly we can say CPC, limitation, law of registration, family law, sales of goods act, law of evidence, because evidence act would study in criminal law. In criminal law, the basic component is Indian Penal Code, IPC, Criminal Procedure Code, CRPC, and Indian Evidence Act. So especially in civil law we study evidence law, but in criminal law we study evidence act. Okay. So these are the basic things that you need to focus on. And the third one is your interview. So interview consisting 150 marks. Where generally you are being tested. Ki are you suitable or adaptable for judicial post or not? So we at the platform of Accretion Law Academy provide complete solution for your judicial examinations, from very beginning to the last, including PT, mains and interview. So hopefully, I am very hopeful for your selection and for your good preparation. And in this brief session, I just simply let you know what are the essential component or what are the essential composition of the examination, fees, dates, vacancies, and some other relevant factors. You can join us for a strategic session and for a regular session here in this platform of Accretion Law Academy. So once again, I welcome you and congratulate you for all of you for a good and bright future. Okay. Take care and good luck ahead.